Hi, I'm Julie from the lifestyle website julieblanner.com, where I share easy ideas for entertaining, incredibly easy recipes, home decor, and so much more. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make
whipped cream.
Whipped cream is the ultimate topping for any dessert. Put it on strawberry shortcake, brownies, cheesecakes, ice cream, and so much more. But it definitely is a must for pecan pie. Whipped cream is so easy, even kids can help make it. It requires just 2 ingredients, and it's so amazing you'll wonder why you've ever purchased it out of a can. Let's get started. So first we're gonna start with heavy cream. And now we're going to beat it until it's stiff. If you have a stand mixer, great. If not, no big deal at all. Any mixer will do the trick. But the key is you're gonna start slow and work your way up. So we're gonna start on the lowest speed. Now once it's thick enough, you can go ahead and add the powdered sugar. We're going to add 2½ cups. Now the key to this is to start slow because you don't want to make a big mess. One of the best things about making homemade whipped cream is that you can adjust it to your preference. You can make it as sweet as you'd like, or you can make it less sweet. I just like to make sure I get all the powdered sugar folded in. And of course, we're gonna have to taste test. That's the most important job of making homemade whipped cream. You can also add your very own extracts, whatever you'd like. You can use vanilla, orange, lemon, almond. The options are endless. Enjoy. Don't forget to click subscribe for more easy recipes and watch what's coming next.